Deep within the heart of the wilderness roams a creature as ancient as the forest itself. The elephant, majestic, intelligent, and deeply connected to the land. They are not just inhabitants of this world, they are its soul. In every rustling leaf and every distant call of the wild, the serpent of the forest thrives. And at its core are the elephants, its protectors and architects.
With every step, they shape the land, clearing pathways, spreading seeds, and bringing life where there was none. Elephants are more than creatures of the forest. They are its heartbeat. The forest and the elephants share a bond older than time itself. The trees provide food and shelter, while the elephants ensure the forest's renewal. This symphony of connection defines the essence of the wild. Even the smallest actions of these giants ripple across their ecosystem. A broken branch becomes food for insects, while the seeds they carry grow into mighty trees. Without them, the forest loses its soul. The soul of the forest is also one of memory. Each matriarch carries decades of wisdom, passed down like an unbroken thread through generations. She remembers every path, every water hole, and every danger. Her knowledge ensures the survival of her family and the forest. To understand the soul of the forest, we must look beyond biology to the heart of the elephant. They feel joy, grief, and love. They mourn their dead, celebrate new life, and form bonds that last a lifetime. This emotional depth is rare in the animal kingdom and speaks to their connection not only to each other, but to the world around them. The elephant's temporal lobe, which is associated with memory, is larger and denser than that of people. Therefore, the saying, elephants never forget. There are many interesting facts about elephants, such as standing as tall as 4 meters and weighing 6 tons. The African elephant is the largest living land mammal. There are 2 species of African elephants, the savanna or bush elephant and the forest elephant. Asian elephants have 3 main subspecies: Sumatran, Indian, and Sri Lankan. The elephants are the only mammal that cannot jump and is well unable to run because they cannot have all 4 feet off the ground at the same time. But they can walk very fast, with African elephants reaching 40 kilometers per hour. African elephants have a strict hierarchy by age and are led by the oldest and wisest female, the matriarch. Asian elephants have more changeable social networks. Domesticated elephants can learn up to 100 verbal commands. They are very good at solving problems, both as a group and individually. Elephants show signs of altruism or selflessness. They can help other elephants and animals without expecting any benefit in return. They are excellent swimmers and even known to be able to swim in the sea. The tusks of elephants appear first when they are 2 years old and continue growing lifetime. The tusk helps them with feeding, prizing bark of trees, digging up roots, or as a defense when fighting. They have around 150,000 muscle units in their trunk. They use their trunks for many reasons, including breathing, drinking, feeding, smelling, trumpeting, and even as a snorkel when swimming. They can communicate through seismic signals, creating vibrations in the ground, which they are able to detect through their bones. The elephant is the national emblem of Thailand and is revered as a symbol of longevity, loyalty, strength, family, community, and good luck.
Elephant is the soul of the forest, and the soul of the forest is under siege. Human activity has carved deep wounds into their home. Deforestation, poaching, and climate change threaten not just the elephants, but the entire ecosystem they sustain. Once, these forests stretched endlessly. Now they are fragmented, and the giants who call them home face an uncertain future. Today, there are around 400,000 African elephants and 50,000 Asian elephants, making total elephant population less than 500,000. 100 years ago, the total population was 10 million. Every effort to save the elephants is an effort to save the forest. For as long as they thrive, the soul of the forest endures. The forest and the elephant are one. To protect them is to protect the very soul of the planet Earth.